Madrid after so many years. I miss it so much and I'm so happy to be back here. So right now, let me take you on a little tour of my apartment here before we actually go out and check out the city. Okay, as you walk in, here is my little kitchen, fully equipped. Really excited to be cooking some nice Spanish meals here. And then over here is the living room, white TV. Really nice modern design here. And dining room. Yeah, looks like I'm gonna be inviting some friends over to party, have some drinks. Look at the bathroom. And here's my bedroom. Nice. And there is the master bath. Look. This is the best feature of my apartment here. Woohoo! It's a cave shower. Looks like you're you're taking a bath in a cave. And you can see into the bedroom and vice versa. So you have to come here alone, or I guess if you're a couple or something, you can really be bathing here with some stranger or just a friend or whatever. Okay. So I'm looking forward to showing you around Madrid, my favorite city here in Europe, and we're gonna start tomorrow. It's been quite rainy here in Madrid since I got here, so I haven't really gotten a chance to walk around so much. But today it's a beautiful day. It's quite sunny actually, a little bit too sunny for my taste. But I took the opportunity to walk around, and I actually went to my old apartment where I used to live when I was studying here. It's right here behind me, number 66, Conde de Peñalver. And honestly, it's a little bit emotional. It's changed a lot in 12 years since I lived here. But well, the entrance looks the same, but all over the outside it's totally different. There's a lot of restaurants here now, like right in front. As you can see here, there's actually a little restaurant, and all the way down the street. This used to be like really quiet down here. There wasn't really much to see. It was a quiet neighborhood, which I really liked. But yeah, so there's my building. Our apartment is there. It's on the second floor. I actually lived here with my roommate, a Hungarian girl called Andrea, and a couple of Italians. So it was actually at this apartment where I started a lifelong love affair with both Spain and Italy. Yeah, really important spot right here for me. So I've enjoyed a few beers here at this bar. That's actually right in front of our former apartment. It's really cool. I mean, we used to have a small bar like a few doors down. That was where I had a few drinks with some of my friends right before I left. I really didn't want to leave, so I was sitting there having drinks and just getting totally hammered and hoping to miss my flight. But my friends convinced me to get on the plane because I was already overstaying my visa, and they basically said to me, do you want to come back to Spain? If you do, then you really should get out now before you get blacklisted or something. It was so funny. That was such a nice experience to, just hang out with my flatmates at the time, and it was very emotional the first time when I had to leave from here, because I had such a great time and I really didn't want to leave. I feel the same now, but it's so much better because I know that I could always come back. And now I'm actually here enjoying a quiet drink just right in front of our apartment. So that was a pretty emotional visit to my former apartment. Things have changed a lot around here, and I must admit it's kind of nice. The whole area seems to be a lot more progressive with all the bars and stuff. But yeah, it's nice. So let's move on to the next destination.